Welcome to our deep dive into the cities in North Carolina that may face severe hurricane threats in 2025. From the picturesque coastal town of Wilmington to the historic charm of New Bern, we'll explore the vulnerabilities of 10 cities that lie in the path of potential storms. Join us as we discuss the unique challenges each location faces and why understanding these risks is crucial for residents and visitors alike. Whether it's military hubs or barrier islands, the impact of hurricanes looms large, and it's time to learn more about what lies ahead. 1. Wilmington. A coastal gem in the crosshairs. Wilmington, known for its historic charm and stunning beaches, is a city that frequently finds itself in the path of hurricanes. Situated on the southeastern coast of North Carolina, Wilmington's location makes it particularly vulnerable. The city has a long history of hurricane encounters, with Hurricane Florence in 2018 causing widespread flooding and damage. As the climate changes and sea levels rise, the risks for Wilmington only increase. Residents and city planners are continually working on measures to protect this gem from the fury of future storms. 2. Morehead City. At the mercy of the Atlantic, Morehead City, a bustling port town, faces significant hurricane risks due to its proximity to the Atlantic Ocean. The town's economy heavily relies on fishing and tourism, both of which can be severely impacted by hurricanes. Morehead City has experienced numerous storms over the years, each leaving a mark on its infrastructure and community. The local government is actively investing in storm preparedness and response strategies to mitigate future disasters. However, the unpredictable nature of hurricanes means that Morehead City must remain vigilant. 3. New Bern. Historic beauty at risk. New Bern, with its rich history and picturesque setting, is another city in North Carolina that must be on high alert for hurricanes. Nestled at the confluence of the Neuse and Trent rivers, New Bern's location makes it susceptible to flooding during hurricanes. The city has witnessed the devastating effects of hurricanes like Florence, which inundated homes and businesses. Efforts are underway to strengthen flood defenses and improve emergency response plans, but the threat of future hurricanes looms large over this historic town. 4. Jacksonville. A military hub under threat. Jacksonville, home to the Marine Corps Base Camp Lejeune, is a city that plays a crucial role in national defense. However, its location on North Carolina's coast also makes it vulnerable to hurricanes. The military presence ensures that Jacksonville has robust emergency response capabilities, but the city itself faces challenges in safeguarding its civilian population and infrastructure. Hurricanes can disrupt daily life, damage property, and impact the local economy. As 2025 approaches, Jacksonville remains on high alert for potential storms. 5. Hatteras. A barrier island battleground. The Hatteras Island, part of the Outer Banks, is a unique and beautiful location that bears the brunt of many hurricanes. As a barrier island, it serves as a natural shield, but this also means it takes the full force of storms. Hatteras is known for its lighthouses and pristine beaches, attracting tourists from far and wide. However, hurricanes can cause severe erosion and damage to infrastructure, threatening both the environment and the local economy. Residents and visitors must be prepared for the possibility of evacuation during hurricane season. 6. Greenville. Inland but not immune. Greenville, located inland from the coast, might seem like a safe haven from hurricanes, but it is not immune to their effects. The city often experiences heavy rainfall and flooding when hurricanes move inland. The Tar River, which flows through Greenville, can swell to dangerous levels during storms, posing a risk to homes and businesses. While Greenville is not directly on the coast, the city still needs to remain prepared for the indirect impact of hurricanes. 7. Fayetteville. Bracing for storm surges. Fayetteville, another inland city, faces similar challenges to Greenville when it comes to hurricanes. The Cape Fear River runs through Fayetteville, and during hurricanes, it can overflow, causing significant flooding. The city has a strong military presence, with Fort Bragg located nearby, which provides some resources for emergency response. However, The local population must also take steps to prepare for potential flooding and storm surges that can accompany hurricanes. 8. Elizabeth City. A river city at risk. Elizabeth City, often referred to as the Harbor of Hospitality, is located near the Pasquotank River in the Albemarle Sound. This picturesque city has a charming waterfront, but its proximity to water makes it vulnerable to hurricanes. The combination of storm surges and heavy rainfall can lead to flooding, threatening homes and businesses. Elizabeth City is investing in flood prevention and mitigation measures, but the unpredictability of hurricanes means that residents must always be ready for the worst. 9. Wrightsville Beach. A tourist hotspot in danger. Wrightsville Beach is a popular tourist destination known for its sandy shores and vibrant community. However, its location on a barrier island makes it highly susceptible to hurricanes. The town's economy relies heavily on tourism, which can be severely disrupted by storms. Wrightsville Beach has experienced damage from past hurricanes, leading to efforts to strengthen infrastructure and improve evacuation plans. Residents and business owners must remain vigilant during hurricane season to protect their livelihoods. 10. Kitty Hawk. The birthplace of aviation faces storms. Kitty Hawk, famous for being the site of the Wright brothers' first powered flight, is another city at risk from hurricanes. Located on the Outer Banks, Kitty Hawk is exposed to the full force of Atlantic storms. The town's history and natural beauty attract visitors, but hurricanes can cause significant damage to both the environment and the economy. Efforts are underway to protect the town's infrastructure and preserve its historical sites from the impact of future storms. In conclusion, these 10 cities in North Carolina are at significant risk from hurricanes in 2025. Each city faces unique challenges and is taking steps to prepare for the potential impact of these powerful storms. However, the unpredictable nature of hurricanes means that residents and local governments must remain vigilant and ready to respond to whatever the future may hold.